Everyone goes to the big cities, but I found a hidden gem in the Catalan countryside with a population of only 1,800. So come with me to Bordils. It might just be the perfect coffee stop.
Girona's waking up as I'm rolling out, the kind of morning that you dream about. The terror's winding by my side, just a flat out easy going ride. No one you left, no talk.
I've arrived at my coffee stop destination. I'm in the small Catalan village of Bordils with a population of only 1,800. So I had my coffee in the cafe you can see behind, and I also brought with me some of my favourite shortbread biscuits, imported all the way from Lidl in Manchester. They're the cheapest, but they're definitely the nicest. Okay, let's continue with the ride.
Here I come, spinning these wheels till my legs go numb. It's a leisurely ride to the village square with the scent of the pines in the morning air. Yeah, the road was easy, the road was wide, just me and my thoughts on a Sunday ride. Now heading back through the Gavara shade, where the best kind of memories are usually made. The climbs get punchy, the descents get technical, but the way I'm feeling is almost metaphysical. Floating over roots through the cork tree groves, finding the rhythm in the hidden alcoves. No need to scream, no need to race, just a massive grin across my face. Just the sound of nature and the shift of the gear. Everything I needed is right back here.